Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean your drive, so let's get right into it. Now, for example, let me just add these videos into my Google Drive so that I have something to clean since I don't want them here. Now, as you can see, as they upload, they're going to be appearing here and my storage is going to be getting used up. As you can see, it just went by 0.02 gigabytes and let's say I don't want this. What I can do is I can select all of these by just selecting them with the mouse or clicking on them individually or control clicking them to select many, or I could shift click and select a range. Then you want to just press the delete key or right click and click move to trash, and as you can see that's moved to trash, but my storage is still not freed up. What you need to do is go into the trash again. As you can see, I have a lot of files over here, and what you're going to want to do is permanently empty it. Now, as you can see, you have a 30-day limit to restore your items if you wish. However, if you want to delete them, you can just empty your entire trash can by clicking this button or right-clicking your trash over here, or at least that used to work. I'm pretty sure now it doesn't. Let me just go back into my drive, right-click trash. Okay, now it doesn't work. It used to work just to show you empty trash, but it doesn't now. Or you can individually select the files that you want with the same methods I showed you before. Right click them and then click delete forever. As you can see, they will be deleted forever and there is no way to restore them. Just click delete and now you're done, and that's pretty much how you clear your Google Drive. If you want to not delete your files but still want more storage, you can get more storage by subscribing to Google Drive, but in essence that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.